There's something really in me who likes to take this risk. And often, sometimes I think, why the did I do that? I'm gonna teach you many different recipes, presentation, how to really make something happen. I had a stepfather. He was not a nice guy. I always wanted to leave. I was 14 years old and I found a job. I said, it's perfect, I can leave the house. You're gonna learn how to be a better cook at home. Teach your palate, little step by step. You can toast your peppercorns in the oven to release the oil. Keep the pan, don't rinse the pan. This is where we're gonna make our sauce. I was the chef at the French restaurant. The manager comes to me and says, here is the new menu. What do you mean the new menu? You didn't even talk to me. I got so pissed off at him. I took off my apron and said, well, then you cook the menu. I said, you know, I want to be in charge of my own destiny. Instead of using parsley, I'm going to use the carrot tops. Most people will just throw it away. Don't use the expensive olive oil because it's a waste of money. If you want to start your day with a Bloody Mary like that, you don't gonna stop. If you have passion for what you do, you're gonna be successful at the end. They're gonna say, where did you learn that? Did you learn it at the master class or did you go to Paris for a year? I'm Wolfgang Puck, and this is my masterclass.